Day 2 of converting this Ford Transit into a camper van. Yesterday we had our first shop at B&Q, removed the bulkhead, stripped the walls, the floor and cleaned the van. Today involved another trip to B&Q for hammerite direct to metal rust paint, gripfill and screws. For the insulation we've chosen recycled plastic due to its price, it's easy to install, and as it is plastic it doesn't absorb moisture. As you can see as well, the installation is as simple as applying some spray glue and tearing the insulation to fit. We've then added a layer of polythene to stop your warm breath touching the metal of the van, which causes condensation and then mould. The polythene and insulation was then sealed tightly closed with insulation tape, including all the random small holes and gaps around the walls and the ceiling of the van. It was then time to treat the rust with the hammerite direct to metal paint, which again was very simple. Whilst this was left to dry, I measured around the floor so we could cut out the vinyl flooring, which was almost a big mistake. I traced it from underneath, which meant it would have been opposite once you'd flipped it over, but before we made any cuts we realised this and corrected it. Our standing knife was blunt, so we had to use some scissors, which worked really well. We put the floor back in, so tomorrow we can then lay down the vinyl. Follow for day 3, where we will be gluing the vinyl floor down, insulating the roof and starting on the bulkhead.